Anyhow, let's go through the trades real quick. Let's see. What did I do? What's the dates here? March 17th through the 21st. So, first thing I did on Monday, we had a run up on SOXL. It went into the 21, something like that. And I took that opportunity to close out the 25 put that was expiring today. Closed it for $3.90. Took a loss of $256.68. Let's see, what else did we do? On that same day, I also closed the 20 strike because I wasn't confident in 20 holding for the week, and it didn't. So, but we closed that for 50 cents and locked in a profit of $105 on that one. And then the rest of them all were today's trades, which is Friday, March 21st. I was not confident that SOXL would hold the $19 today, so I took an opportunity and closed it for 6 cents. Locked in profits there for $121. That was on a 19 strike. It did close above 19, but I figure $6 and not worry about it. I'll give them $6 for that. SOXL 18 strike expired worthless. Actually, 3 of them. 3 18 strike SOXLs expired worthless. Profits of $102, $144, and $114 respectively. I air quoted rolled my BITX 40 strike. We closed that down for $2.43. So realized a loss of $94.36 on that one. My Advanced Auto Parts expired worthless. I tried to sell another one out to April. Didn't fill though. Expired worthless. Profited $114 there. My Pfizer covered call expired worthless. Profited $25 there. And let's see, SCHD 28 strike. I was assigned those shares, so we bought 100 shares there. Profited $24 on the option. So what did we do? What did we sell this week? Well, let's go down here to 314. Nope, I'm sorry, 317. BitX, I added a BitX out to March 28th, 35 strike, collected $145 for it. SOXL today, we went out to May. Yes, May. And we went to the 15 strike, only sold one, and got $119 for it. And then air quote rolled the BitX. We just moved that to a brand new contract out to March 28th expiration, same strike, but collected $353 on it. So for the week, let's see, for the week we collected $615 of premium, and the profit for the week was $391.52. So not too shabby. Look at the premium cooking real quick. Got a lot coming off next week. Next week is going to be pretty active. We got $2,000 of premium cooking, a lot of SOXLs in the money. We'll go over that real quick in a second. And then for April, we still have $2,023 of premium cooking, and then $118 out to May. So for the month of March, realized profits of $690.59. Do the quick view real quick. Next week is going to be tough because I got 2 21 strike SOXLs and then 3 23 strike SOXLs. My guess, just thinking about it off the top of my head, I'd probably air quote roll these 23s and then take these 21s and then sell some calls. That's my guess anyway. And then BitX, I don't know. I'm hoping for a rebound in BitX. I think we're going to get it, but we'll talk about that here in a second. And then overall holdings, I did buy another 10 shares of SCHD plus the 100 that's assigned to me. So I'm up to 580 shares of SCHD. Really like SCHD. Oh, this is all brand new. Well, kind of brand new, but kind of revamped the way I laid this out. I removed Bitcoin out of it and just put just my core equities in here. But that's about all I did as far as buying shares. I think it was 110 of SCHD, and that's about it. So that brought my cash position down a little bit. And then I added this down here. Average dividends per month, $620.85. And then average options income per month is $13.27. And how I came up with that number is I basically came with the last 12 months. So March of 2024 to February of 2025, and average that out to $1,327 a month. So average total income, $1,947.85 per month, almost $23,000 a year. And then the overall portfolio yield of 11.56%. So that's the average total income divided by the total portfolio value, if you will. This does not include options as far as the market value, right? I hope that makes sense. Option traders will probably understand that. This is just what I own, and then options are a totally separate kind of thing. So 11.56 annualized yield on the total portfolio is basically it. And then my allocation, let's move this over. Still very large in cash, 66% in SPACs, 10% in clip, so 76.5% roughly in cash, and the rest, SCHD is the big holding at 8%, QQQM at roughly 5%. So that's it for that. How am I looking at SOXL? What am I expecting? Well, I said last video that I expected it to flounder kind of here, and I still expect that. If we look at a short term, let's see what Fidelity has for short term. Let's go real short term, because I think it's going to be pretty tight right here in this 19 to 20 range. Yep, that's exactly what it is. They have short-term support at $20.40, and that's about what I think. I think we're going to flounder here, and if it does not hold, I still, like I've been saying for quite a while, I think $16 could be in the cards. BITX is the other one. I actually suspect a Bitcoin reversal here, although BITX is showing resistance at 39.20. So we'll see about that. This is kind of a choppy chart. I don't like it. I'd rather look at Bitcoin itself. If I look at Bitcoin itself, it had this gap up back in November that went on that tremendous run. And then Bitcoin fell back down and it filled that gap. Remember, I always say the gaps like to be filled. And to me, it looks like it's setting up to actually make a move up higher. I don't think Fidelity, no, they don't do the support and resistance thing here for some reason on Bitcoin. They do have an analysis button that sometimes works. It doesn't work for the 3x leverage stuff. Oh, look, it does. So Fidelity is actually expecting a rebound towards 103,000. So, okay, I wasn't wrong in looking. They are suspecting a rebound. So if you got Fidelity, you click that analysis button, go to the advanced chart and click the analysis button, and it'll show you what they think is going on. And I'd advise you to learn about chart reading a little bit. I don't know a whole lot. I kind of fly by the wing of my pants, but sometimes it's kind of cool when they have that analysis that before you click on it, that you say, okay, I think this is going to setting up for a rebound, and you click the analysis, and then they tell you, hey, rebound towards 103. I don't think it'll get 103. That's support resist, or the first level of resistance right there is at, what does that say, 96, something like that. So I think that'd be helpful. But you never know. If it falls, it's going to fall hard. Probably down into this range down here into the 60s. But I would imagine the Bitcoin people would buy the crap out of that. So anyhow, that's all I got. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Me and my wife this past week celebrated 16 years of marriage, and 26 years together. So been a great run, and hopefully it continues. Not hopefully, it will continue, because we're married. We don't have another choice. We love each other, and that's just the way things go. And you build something together, and it works out if both of you guys are on the same page, and my wife and I are both on the same page. So that's nice. And so anyhow, hope you guys had a great week, and we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.